In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund shipping on eBay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a refund on eBay as a seller, so you can refund any buyer on eBay. To do this, go over to My eBay, aka the Seller Hub, where you can find all of the items that you have sold. So they will appear over here with their image, description, the price, and all that you have to do is expand this drop-down menu. So you will see the option to view the payment details, and right beside it, the drop-down menu. When you expand this drop-down menu by clicking on the arrow, you will find Send Refund. This is the only option inside of eBay that allows you to send a refund, and if it is not appearing for you, it could mean that this specific transaction can no longer be refunded. If that's the case, then I would suggest talking to the customer support to see what can be done. But if you see Send Refund, just go ahead and select it. Now you can specify the amount. If you want to give the buyer a full refund, just take this option here or specify the exact amount here. If you want a partial refund, then you can type it out on this input field. So once you specify the amount that will be refunded compared to the purchase price, refund amount, and so on, choose Next, and you will have to give a reason. It doesn't matter which reason you give, but try to be transparent. It's usually better for both you and the buyer. So be transparent, choose a reason, and any additional notes go here on this input field. With this done, you will now review everything. So you will see the refund summary, including the purchase price, shipping and fee credits, and finally choose how you want to refund the amount that you owe. Usually this will be done with your eBay funds. So once everything looks okay, you choose Refund Now, and the refund will be processed by eBay itself. So I hope I was able to help you. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, I ask you to subscribe. I highly count on your subscription so we can keep making high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.